Bejn is-7 ta' April u l-aħħar ta' Ġunju fil-Palazz Presidenzjali tal-Belt Valletta se tittella l-wirja Picasso and Miro. Wirja miġjuba Malta mill-Fundazzjon Mafre bil-kollaborazzjoni tal-Fondazzjoni Patrimonju Malti u l-Uffiċċju tal-President. Lejre Bozal Camorro, kuratur tal-Fondazzjon, tkellmet magħna fuq kif issawwar il-proġett.
Picasso Mediterranean it's an event led by Museo Picasso in Paris that tries what is doing is with more than 60 institutions in all Europe is to celebrate the work of Pablo Picasso itself and his relationship with the Mediterranean culture, because it is clear that the work of Pablo Picasso is absolutely linked with the Mediterranean culture. So what is doing this event is also to try to stretch the different cultures in Europe.
Bekk nistgħu niċċelebraw lill-ikbar pittur tas-seklu 20, Pablo Picasso.
We are going to see it's at first two different works of art that maybe they don't understand why they are together. But on a second view, maybe they can look how both of painters are talking about their experiences as creators. They are thinking about his own painting. They are rethinking his own creations from different points of view, but they are doing the same thing.
Il-wirja f'Malta se tiġbor 100 pittura ta' Pablo Picasso u 44 pittura ta' Juan Miró.